Meaning of disgustingly.
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 Disgustingly. The word disgustingly is an adverb that means something is causing feelings of revulsion, nausea, or strong disapproval. It is often used to describe something that is repulsive or offensive in an extreme way. For example, a disgustingly dirty bathroom might have overflowing toilets, moldy walls, and a lingering odor. A disgustingly greasy pizza might be dripping with oil, have congealed cheese, and induce feelings of queasiness. In essence, the result of something being described as disgustingly is an overwhelming feeling of disgust and aversion towards it.